Oh hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cassidy Coles, and for my fourth look of the spooky season series, we are doing the iconic and famous Jessica Rabbit. This has been on my bucket list for quite a while now. So for this look, I got the dress from Amazon, and as always, I will have everything linked down below so you guys can transform into her as well. And then this and these gloves actually came with the dress, so it was perfect. That is the only thing I got from Amazon, and the second thing is from insert name here, and that is this gorgeous wig. Her name is Ivy, and I will also have a discount code for insert name here linked down below as well, so you can get this wig for a discounted price. And of course, if you want to wear this look out to a Halloween costume party, which definitely 10 out of 10 recommend, you can pair this look with some red heels, some purple heels, some clear heels. Before we get started, please make sure to give this video a like so I know you liked it and want to see more, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post every single week, and let's get right into this look. Okay, I had to make a quick pit stop to get some grapefruit Bellini from Trader Joe's to do this video because my energy was like here, and I also wanted fried rice and salmon. So, and then I changed into my shorts to get into the spooky vibes of this video, even though it's Jessica Rabbit and it's fine. Got just a handful of olives, pette salted manzanella olives. So we're gonna start with our normal foundation, normal concealer, bake that face, and I'll meet you back here for, I think, eyeshadow. Also, I got these eyelashes from Amazon, and 10 out of 10 recommend. I'm actually gonna link these down below because recommend. Don't mind me, I'm just going to shut my door. Yeah, with my knife. So eyebrows are pretty much going to be the same way I normally do them. I think I might add hints of like red tones throughout my eyebrows so it might match that guy right there. One of these like orangey dark colors. So I'm gonna move this right here next to my beautiful knife. I have my Ouija board over there. I have my knife on my desk. The funny thing is with my Ouija board, I was almost going to take it out into the hallway and put it in like the hallway closet. And I go to pick it up and I'm like, why do I feel like I'm safer with it in my room? Like, I feel like it's gonna be mad at me if I try to put it in the hallway. Shall we begin the makeup? Let me zoom. Chip in the back. Zoomed on in, but now I'm a little scared. Like, should I have done that? Were you guys ready for that? Auburn. I love them. I love them. I'm going to shape them right now. Hold on. Yeah. So this is what we're working with, and now we go into eyeshadow. I'm following Ashley Graham's eyeshadow for Jessica Rabbit because I feel like that, out of all the ones I've seen, that is the most doable for me. I have the tiniest lid possible. Like, you know how some people get that gorgeous cut crease? I don't. Like, I have the smallest lid, and when I open my eyes you can't see my lid. So, but I have a lot of like upper lid. It's so weird. Whatever. Fun fact. So for the purple eyeshadow look, I'm going to be using mainly this dark purple, probably dipping into the purple shimmer and then mixing it in with this lighter purple right here. And then for a lot of shimmer, I'm going to be using this shimmer up here. And that is that. Honestly, I'm not mad with this eyeshadow look. It's not the typical Jessica Rabbit look. I kind of like her. Okay, so next I'm gonna do a light line of eyeliner just to really emphasize that gorgeous eye she has. Just a little bit of eyeliner. And then I'm gonna be adding some white eyeliner to the bottom of my waterline. the ones I'm gonna be using are more of like the cat eye. These ones right here. So yeah. Okay, so now time for the red lipstick. I'm gonna be lining my lips first and then doing this like gorgeous bright red lipstick. Okay, so this is the makeup. Honestly, I think this is it. Oh wait, I never wear red lipstick, so what I'm gonna do first is put on this corset. This one is a larger size than my other one because it's kind of loose on me actually. Okay, actually I'm gonna put the black one on because this one is a bigger size than the black one that I have, and the black one is like up here and this one is like eh. Okay, so here's my black one, and this just does better things to my upper half. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Okay, so this dress has a zipper on it, and what is this? Okay, that's as far as it goes. Okay. Honestly, this seems a little too big. You know what I might do is, for the pictures, this isn't really for practical purposes, but like tie it right here. Because otherwise it's kind of like this. I don't know how I feel about that. So the wig that I'm using for this look, I actually brushed it over to the side. It is a middle part, but I like put it on to the side so we could get that like Jessica Rabbit look. These are the gloves that this dress comes with. Beautiful. And I also have her little thing, which, what the heck even is this? You know what I mean?
Whoa.
What do you think?
Whoa, that's crazy. That looks so good.
Thanks. The dress is a little too big, so I had to like clip it in the back.
Oh, yeah.
But it's fine.
That looks so cool.
So this is the freaking look, and now it is time for the pictures. So please hold momentarily. Like the finished product for this Jessica Rabbit look. I am living, once again, my best life. I think every time I transform into a costume, I'm living my best life. I mean, it is fall, it is spooky season. What can I complain about? And before you go, please give this video a like and subscribe to me if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys very soon for my next video. Love you.
What's up, guys? I'll do another bikini haul, just you gotta wait. Right now I'm just gonna do what I like.